How to fix Instagram login error on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram login error. So sometimes when you try to log into your Instagram account, you simply cannot log into your Instagram account and it'll keep saying login error and try again in a few minutes. So in order to overcome that difficult in order to fix the problem, there are a few different solutions. The first one is go to your app store and then type in Instagram. Now as you can see, it currently says open, meaning my app is currently up to date, but if yours says update, simply update the app. You may not be able to log into your Instagram account as your app is not up to date, so try updating your app. And now once you have successfully updated your app, try logging in again, and if you still can't log in, what you can do is go to your settings and then go to general. Now go to iPhone storage and then locate Instagram. Now here you'll see two options, offload app and then delete app. So what you can do is simply tap on offload app and then confirm it by again tapping offload app. Now it will delete the app while keeping all of its data. And now once you've successfully offloaded the app, simply tap on reinstall app and then wait for Instagram to reinstall. Now once you've reinstalled Instagram, simply try logging back to your account, and in most cases you'll be successfully able to log into your account. But if you are still not able to log into your account, what you can do is reinstall the app by simply uninstalling it, and then as a last resort, simply try restarting your iPhone. So those were all of the ways on how you can fix Instagram login error on your iPhone device. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.